Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Data Visual. Today I am going to show you and explain about the Tableau worksheet. So let's begin. We have to import the Excel file in our Tableau. So if we want to import the Excel file, then we have to click on this Microsoft Excel, and if you want to import the CSV file, then you have to click on this text file like that. You can access lots of file from here. So now I have to import Excel, so I will click on this Microsoft Excel file, and in my download folder here is the sample superstore Excel file. So click on that file and just click on open. So your file will be imported. Now we have to select one of the sheet where we have to work. So I want to work on orders sheet, so I will double click on that sheet, or else I can just drag and drop here. So you can see the name of columns and the number of rows are available here. So let me introduce some data types in front of you. So this hash symbol represent the number data type. It's a numerical data. ABC represent the string data type. This calendar type symbol represent the date data type. Then further we go, then there are some string data types. Yeah, here you can see one globe symbol, so it represents the geographical data type. So in geographical data type you can see the name of country, name of cities and name of states are available. Here are some columns with numerical data type. You can change the data type if you want. You have to just click on this ABC or hash on this data type, and you can select either of the data type where which you want to select. So guys, let me show you our worksheet where we are going to create our charts. Okay, so here is the file button, data to import the data, worksheet to create new worksheet. You can create new worksheet from here. Dashboard, you can create new dashboard from here. Story, you can also create story. Analysis part, maps, format, you can do formatting. Server, Windows option and help option is there. An undo option is available. Save button, you can also import data source from here. You can create new worksheet from here. These are the shortcuts. This is the duplicate button. If you create some charts and you want to duplicate it, so you can create duplicate from here. Here is the clear sheet option. If you do some visualization and you don't want it, and you can just click on this clear sheet option, so it will be look like this. Here is the swap option, so you can swap your rows and column in between. Here is the sort button, so it will sort in ascending order and this sort will in descending order. And this is the presentation mode option. Now you can see these are the cards like pages card, filter card and marks card. In marks card you can see the automatic button. Here you can select any of the chart like bar chart, line chart, area chart, what you want to select. Then these are the color button, size button, text button, detail button, tooltip button. This can be useful. I will show you step by step what is the use of this all. On the very left side you can see two pills are available in blue. These are the colors of the pills like blue and green pills. Blue pills are called as the dimension pills and the green pills are called as the measure pills. So these things are required for our visualization. And also here is the show me button to select any of the chart which you want to use in your visualization. And again, here is the option for creating new worksheet. So click on this button to create new worksheet. Here is the option for new dashboard. So you can click on this button to create new dashboard. Here is the new story button. You can create new story like that. This is the introduction to the worksheet. Thank you guys.